use our Red Chef non-stick ceramic rock soup pot. Even comes with care instructions for before and after use. Let's peel off the stickers. Put in the rubber handles. Let's use a neutral oil, tapos ikalat natin. I-coat natin mabuti yung pot on the inside, evenly as possible. Let's set it on low heat until we achieve yung smoking point. Once there, pwede na i-off yung lutuan and let it cool down naturally. After cooling down, pwede natin siyang hugasan using a mild detergent. Sabihin natin yung loob, pati na rin yung labas. Siyempre, we have to rinse it very well para matanggal yung soap na ginamit natin pang hugas ng pot. After washing, of course, kailangan natin punasan mabuti yung pot natin. Punasan natin on the inside. Tapos kapag tuyo na yung inside, syempre pati yung labas. Kailangan natin yung punasan para ma-make sure natin na tuyong-tuyo yung pot bago natin siya isalang sa init. Tara, luto tayo. Pakulo tayo ng tubig. Lagay tayo ng oil, salt, and you guessed it right, pasta. Pwedeng magluto ng spaghetti noodles sa pot na to. Next, lagyan naman natin ng oil. Prito tayo ng hot dogs. Prito din tayo ng ham. Pwede din dito mag-isa ng sibuyas at bawang. Pwedeng mag-saute sa pot na to. We can even cook meat. Let's season it well. Ayan, luto na yung meat natin. Pwede din siyang lagyan ng tomato paste. It doesn't stick. Pwede na natin ihalo ang hot dogs at ham. At pwede na natin ilagay ang spaghetti sauce. Damihan natin. Malaki yung capacity ng pot. Nakagamit ako ng 1.5 kilo ng sauce. Kasama na din dyan yung malaking cream and madaming cheese. Look at it. Sobrang ganda ng luto sa pot na to. It doesn't even stick. This is a pot from Red Chef. Definitely built for healthy cookware.